Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Landmark Roar wireless Bluetooth speaker. On the front of the box, we have an image of the speaker unit itself. The Landmark Roar branding is on the top. And on the bottom left, we have the wireless speaker with phone stand description. On the right hand side, we have the exact model number, which is LM-BT1024FM. On the top side, we have a few of the salient features, which include Bluetooth functionality, USB device compatible, TF card support, FM radio, aux-in, and TWS functionality. The left hand side of the package simply has some branding with the brand ambassador, and on the right hand side, we have a few of the specifications. The specifications include a Bluetooth version 5.0, an operating distance or Bluetooth range of less than or equal to 10 meters, a rated power output of 5 watts, frequency response of 20 Hz to 20 kHz, signal to noise ratio of greater than or equal to 85 decibels, distortion at 0.1%, FM range is 87.5 megahertz to 108 megahertz, and rated voltage is 5 volts. Over here we have a few of the other color variants of this product, and over here we have some importing and manufacturing information along with the customer care information right at the bottom. The back of the box is exactly the same as the front, and there is nothing on the bottom. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, we get some literature. First up is the user manual. This should help you get started off with understanding the various buttons and functions of this speaker. Next, we have a little thank you note from the brand, and it also has the various social media handles of the brand. Next, we have two cables. One of them is a 3.5 mm audio cable. It is of the TRS kind, and the other one is the charging cable with a USB Type A interface on one end and a micro USB interface on the other. Both cables are approximately 19 to 20 inches long. Coming to the speaker unit itself, we can see that it has a copper and black color theme going for it. There is a grainy black finish that runs all around the speaker unit, and the copper finishing is on the four drivers up front. There's also some Landmark branding on the front. Most of the important stuff, though, is on the top, where we have a few interfaces and buttons. Starting from the left, we have a USB Type A interface. Here we can put a pen drive to listen to music that is loaded onto the pen drive. We also have a TF card slot right above it. Next to it is the aux input. Next to that is the micro USB charging port, and on the right we have the on off switch. Underneath the on off switch, we have four little buttons, which are to change the tracks, pause the track, and also the mode button, which is on the extreme right. We also have a nice bracket, which is really convenient in case you want to put a smartphone on it. The back has nothing. On the sides, there is nothing either. And on the left hand side, there is an orifice that helps with the base. The bottom has four anti skid pads, and the speaker unit can be kept on these little stands so that it does not slide about on a smooth surface. That's about it in terms of what we get inside the box. So let's get started with using this speaker. To get started with using the device, we will be connecting it to an Android smartphone via Bluetooth. What we will need to do is turn on the device.
Bluetooth mode.
And since this is the first time we are powering the device on, it goes into pairing mode automatically. Next, we go into the Bluetooth settings of our smartphone and look for the device in the available devices section of the Bluetooth settings. Here we can see the model number of the speaker. Tap on it to begin the pairing process. That chime tells us that the speaker is paired, and here we can see that it is ready and in use for calls and media playback. We can also see that the battery level is at 60%. Now we can use the speaker to listen to our favorite tunes. So this was the unboxing of the Landmark Roar wireless Bluetooth speaker. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.